Welcome to my class. Today I am introducing a new method, that is the second method of finding the solution of a quadratic equation, that is the method of completing square. So this is a new method for you. Listen very carefully. Let us take one example. This is the equation we have: 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Here what you have to do is, first take this constant to the right side. It is 0 minus 2 is minus 2. When you transpose or when you take one term to the right side, it becomes equal to positive 2 becomes minus 2. Then what you have to do is, that is, first once again, any equation of this, any quadratic equation of this form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, what you have to do is, first take the constant term to the right of the equal symbol. Then divide throughout by the coefficient of x square. We have now 3 terms here. Divide each term by the coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? It is 3. That is 3x square by 3, 5x by 3 equal to negative 2 by 3. That is, throughout we have to divide. So 3 by 3 it becomes 1. So it is x square, 3 that is getting cancelled. X square minus 5 by 3x equal to negative 2 by 3. That is, on dividing the equation or each term of the equation by coefficient of x square, we get now the coefficient of x square as 1. So that is our first step. Second step, that is making the coefficient of x square as 1. Then next step is, this is very important step, adding half of the coefficient of x the whole square on both sides. Adding half of the coefficient of x whole square. What is the coefficient of x here? That is minus 5 by 3. Take half of that. That is half of minus 5 by 3 means half into minus 5 by 3. That is minus 5 by 6. Take the square of that. Now we square that number, that is 25 by 36, or now we square it, that is minus 5 by 6 whole square. That is equal to minus 5 square, that is 5 square itself, or we can write it as 5 by 6 the whole square. There is negative. When you square a negative number, that will be positive always. Then need to write only 5 by 6 whole square. Now adding on both sides, that is x square minus 5 by 3x plus 5 by 6 the whole square. While adding, we have to add on the right other side also, that is right side, 5 by 6 the whole square. Now we added half of the coefficient of x whole square on both sides. If you do so, you can see that this is a square. This is becoming a perfect square. That will be the square of x minus 5 by 6 the whole square. Why it is? Here the first term is the square of x. The third term is also a perfect square, 5 by 6 whole square. So take this as a, this as b. Now it is in the form a minus b the whole square. That is, by checking the middle term you can verify whether it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let us see whether that is x minus 5 by 6 whole square equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 25 by 36. Now I'll expand and show you how it is. Just expand it. First a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? We have a minus b whole square as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it is x square minus 2 into a into b plus b whole square. Now let us see. X square minus 2 and this is getting cancelled, we get here 3. So it becomes 5x by 3 plus 5 by 6 the whole square, as it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Isn't it? So we need to check the middle term whether it is in the form 2ab. Yes, if you take 2ab it becomes 2 into a into b, that is 5x by 3. So middle term is 5 by 3x or 5x by 3. Now it is a minus b the whole square. Looking into the sign here, if it is negative it will be a minus b whole square. If it is positive here, plus sign here, it will be a plus b the whole square. So you have to verify that first and third number is a perfect square. Then check the middle term whether it is in the form 2ab. A you take it as this one, B it is 5 by 6. So middle term if you do that it will be in the form 2ab. Now you can get in the standard form, that is a minus b the whole square. So a minus b whole square is minus 2 by 3 plus 25 by 36. Now we simplify here, right hand side. We have x minus 6 the whole square is equal to, when you simplify, take the common denominator as 36 or LCM of 3 and 36. How to get 36 from 3? That is to be multiplied with 3 into 12 or 36. So multiply here also with the 12, we get minus 24 plus 25 by 36, that is equal to 1 by 36. Now x minus 5 by 6 the whole square equal to, right hand side is 1 by 36. So that x minus 5 by 6 is equal to, if x square is equal to something, some number. Suppose if it is 36, what is x? We take root of 36. The same way we take here x minus 5 by 6 is equal to root of 1 by 36. Now what is root of 1 by 36? Yes. Here what is root 36? We have to write here plus or minus 6. Why? Positive 6 into positive 6 is 36. Same way minus 6 into minus 6 is also positive 36. So here we can write plus or minus 1 by 6. So two roots are there, one positive, one negative. Now x minus 5 by 6 equal to, x minus 5 by 6 is equal to plus or minus 1 by 6, so that x is equal to minus 5 by 6 you take to the right side, so it becomes 5 by 6 plus or minus 1 by 6, that is 5 plus 1 by 6 or 5 minus 1 by 6, that is 6 by 6 and 4 by 6. 6 by 6 1 and 4 by 6 means it is 2 by 3. So the roots are, or the solutions are 1 and 2 by 3. These are the solutions or root of the quadratic equation here. Hope you understood this. One more question. Just recall the steps. What we have to do? First, 4x square plus 4 root 3x equal to 0 minus 3. That is, first step is take away the constant to the right side. Take away the constant to the right of equal to symbol. Now, what is the next step? Think of it. Divide throughout by coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square here? 4. That is, we have to make the coefficient of x square as 1. So we divide, we get 4x square by 4, 4 root 3x by 4 equal to minus 3 by 4. Each term we have to divide by the coefficient of x square. Now it gives x square plus 4 again getting cancels. We get root 3x equal to negative 3 by 4. Now just recall what is the next step. Adding half of the coefficient of x the whole square on both sides. So x square plus root 3x plus. What is the coefficient of x you see? What is the coefficient of x? It is root 3. So half of root 3. What is half of root 3? Half of root 3 is root 3 by 2. Half of root 3 means, this is the way you write, half into root 3, that is root 3 by 2. Now square of it. 3 by 2 the whole square is, root 3 whole square is 3, 2 square is 4. That is, we have to add 3 by 4 on both sides. 3 by 4 on both sides, or let us take here root 3 by 2 the whole square on both sides, that is minus 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 the whole square. Now next step we can replace that 3 by 4. Now what is it? X square plus root 3x plus root 3 by 2. Now this is A and this is B. Then now check the middle term whether it is in the form 2ab. Let us say 2 into x into b. B is root 3 by 2. 2 getting cancels. Yes, it is the middle term, 2ab term. So it is in the standard form now, that is, and here it is plus. So it will be x plus a plus b root 3 by 2 the whole square. So a plus b the whole square is equal to minus 3 by 4 plus root 3 square is 3, 2 square is 4, 3 by 4. Now x plus 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 is equal to the square is equal to, how will you add? Minus 3 plus 3, it becomes 0. Write one more step. 3 plus 3 divided by 4, that is equal to 0 by 4 or 0. Now x plus root 3 by 2 whole square equal to 0. That is x plus root 3 by 2 is root 0, again it is 0. So x plus root 3 by 2 equal to 0, or x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So we get here only one root. That means we have to write quadratic equation has, we know quadratic equation has two roots. So let us take that as equal root, or we write the roots are minus root 3 by 2 comma minus 3 root 3 by 2 repeated roots. If you have any doubt here, you can do like this also, that is x plus root 3 by 2 the whole square means x plus root 3 by 2 into x plus root 3 by 2 equal to 0. There x plus 3 by, you make it as two linear factors and do x plus root 3 by 2 equal to 0, then x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Here also x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Suppose if you write like this, you will get only one root, then write a repeated root. Okay.
Now let us solve a quadratic equation. That is, we have a standard form of the quadratic equation as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now let us see same method we apply here and see what we get. Okay, let us just recall the steps. We have ax square plus b. First step is to take away this constant to the other side. So that means 0 minus c it becomes. Then dividing throughout by coefficient of x square, that is a. Ax square by a, b by ax minus c by a, divided each term by coefficient of x square. Now what we get? A getting cancels, we get x square plus b by ax minus c by a. Now next step is adding half of coefficient of x the whole square on both sides. So what we have to add? X square plus b by ax plus find what is half of the coefficient of x. So what is the coefficient of x? It is b by a. So half of b by a. Half of b by a means half into b by a, that is b by 2a. So we have to add b by 2a the whole square. b by 2a the whole square. Adding half of the coefficient of x whole square on both sides. Coefficient of x is b by a. Half of that is b by 2a. Adding b by 2a the whole square on both sides. That is minus a by a plus b by 2a the whole square. Now what it will be? Can you say? Yes, it will be x plus b by 2a the whole square. This is now a. This you take it as b. So a plus b the whole square. A square plus 2ab. Let us see 2ab term 2 into a into b by 2a. 2 getting cancels. S bx is there. A b by ax. Okay. This term and 2ab term are same. Now a plus b the whole square form it as equal to minus c by a plus b square by 2a whole square is 4a the 4a square. B square means b whole square b square. 2a whole square means we can write it as 4a whole square. Now x plus b by 2a the whole square equal to minus c by a. How will you simplify this? Take the common denominator as 4a square. Common denominator or LCM 4a square. To get 4a square we have to multiply this with the 4a. Or how will you find it? 4a square by a, that is 4a. 4a into c minus 4ac. Just to get 4a square we have to multiply here with the 4a. A into 4a, 4a square. So multiply numerator also with the 4a. So 4a into c. plus here same b square itself. Or you can do cross multiplication also here, 4a square. So I'll show you how it is. If you do cross multiplication, minus 4a square c. 4a square into c is minus 4a square c plus b square into ab square by 4a cube. You will get a into 4a square, a 4a cube. Now a is common in this, a minus 4ac plus b square by 4a cube. Then also one a is getting cancelled, we get minus 4ac plus b square. Now 4a square, 1a you can cancel, 4a square. So I did here LCM method. This is what cross product, finding cross product and finding the sum. Now what I did is take an LCM of a and 4a square as 4a square. So to get 4a square from a, multiply with the 4a on both sides. 4a into a, 4a square, 4a into c is 4ac. Then to get 4a square, multiply with the 1 only need. Same denominator we have, so write the numerator. Once again rewrite it as b square minus, you can rewrite it as b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Now we have left hand side is 2ab, x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, left hand side we have x plus b by 2ab whole square is equal to, right hand side we have b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Now we have to take the root on both sides. X plus b by 2a is equal to root of b square minus 4ac by 4a square. So when you take the square root, we have to take it positive, plus or minus. Okay, so we have to do here, right here, plus or minus. That is x plus b by 2a equal to plus or minus numerator divided by 4a square. Root of 4a square is, root of 4 is 2, root of a square is a. Okay, root of numerator, then root of denominator. Take the root of the denominator, root 4 is 2 and root of a square is a. Now x equal to, take away this to right side, that is positive b by 2a becomes minus b by 2a plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, that is minus b plus or root 2a common now. Denominator is same here and here. So you can just add the numerator, plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is not, these are the root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Just once again go through the step. What we did is, first we have the standard form, then take away the constant c to the right side, then we divided throughout, that is each term by coefficient of x square, that is a. On dividing throughout by a, we have got another equation. Then adding coefficient of x whole square on half of the coefficient of x the whole square on both sides. Then we get in the standard form, that is left hand side becomes a perfect square and right hand side we are getting another expression. So after rewriting that, we get in this form, x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here the roots are x is equal to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and x is equal to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. These are the two root of the quadratic equation. One is minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Other is x equal to minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This formula is known as quadratic formula. This formula can be used to solve any quadratic equation. That is, you can just apply the formula here. And in this case, this b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac is known as the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Discriminant of the quadratic equation. What is the discriminant? B square minus 4ac. That discriminates the nature of the root. That is, we can say, if b square minus 4ac is positive number, that is, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we have these two distinct root. And if b square minus 4ac is 0, it becomes, what we get, this term will not be there. That is, this root becomes 0. So the number or the root becomes only minus b by 2a. Minus b by 2a is the root. So we get minus b by 2a here, and here also we get minus b by 2a when b square minus 4ac equal to 0. That is, we have two repeated root, or we say two equal root. This, and you can see if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, there is no real root. Why it is? Because we cannot find the root of a negative number. In real numbers, there is no square root for negative numbers. There are imaginary roots that you will study in higher classes. But for negative numbers, now there is no real root. So, if b square minus 4ac you are getting its negative value, there is no real root, we say. These are the three nature of the root of the quadratic equation. One is, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we have two distinct root. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, we have repeated root, minus b by 2a, minus b by 2a. And if it is negative, we can say no real root. That is why b square minus 4ac is known as the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Discriminant. So, here we have the quadratic formula. This is what we discussed. The root of a quadratic equation are x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is known as quadratic formula. And b square minus 4ac is known as the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Discriminant of the quadratic equation. And the nature, that is, you can discriminate the nature of the root. How it is? If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the equation has two distinct root. One is minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And if it is discriminant to 0, then equation has two equal root. And if it is less than 0, the equation has no real root. That is, less than 0 means it comes if it is negative. Greater than 0 means it is positive. And if equal to 0 here. Now, that is, we derived the formula by using the method of completing the square. And the board, board exam, they will not be particular about the method. They are not asking which method you have to do. Any method you can choose. So those who feel it difficult to do the factorization or the method of completing square, you can follow the formula directly. You can use the quadratic formula very easily. And in certain case, this factorization will not be possible. So you can surely apply this method. And some may be feeling that difficulty this factor method of completing the square also. So don't worry, if you are feeling it difficult, go for using this formula. Just do this problem using the formula. How to apply the quadratic formula in this? Let us see. Here we have the quadratic equation. Compare with the standard form, we get a equal to 2, b equal to -7 and c equal to 3 along with the sign. And see what is b square minus 4ac now. We have x equal to the quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now look at the value of b square minus 4ac. Find b square minus 4ac equal to b minus 7 square minus 4 into 2 into 3, that is minus 7 square is 49, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, minus that is 25, 49 minus 24 is equal to 25, as it is greater than 0. So what do you see? If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the equation has two distinct root, that is one is x is equal to minus b, or you write together plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Apply the values now. Minus b what it is? Minus 7. So minus of minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac we got here 25 by 2 into a. What it is? A is 2. That is minus of minus 7 is 7, positive 7 plus or minus root of 25, that is 5 by 4. That is x equal to, we get two values, that is 7 plus 5 by 4 and 7 minus 5 by 4. One is plus 5, other is minus. Positive 5, other is minus 5. Plus or minus 5 here we have. So plus 5, here minus 5. So x is equal to 7 plus 5, 12 by 4. 12 by 4 equal to 3. And x equal to 7 minus 5, 2. 2 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 2. So here we get the roots are 3 and 1 by 2. The roots are 3, 1 by 2. Now another equation. Solve x plus 1 by x equal to 3. Can apply the quadratic formula here. So before applying the quadratic formula, we have to make it in the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In that form we have to rearrange the terms. Here every question, along with that you can see some conditions like this. Here you see x not equal to 0. Why x not equal to 0? Because if it is 0 here, what happens? 1 by 0. 1 by 0 does not exist. So it is not possible. So x cannot be equal to 0. So first let us rearrange. X into x, x square plus 1 by x equal to 3. We get x square plus 1 equal to 3 into x, 3x. Rearrange x square, 3x you bring to left side. So the minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Now you can write what is a. A, coefficient of x square 1. What is b? Coefficient of x negative 3 and c equal to 1. Now let us see what is b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is b square minus 4 into a into c. B square, that is minus 3 square, 9, 4 equal to 5. Now let us write the formula. We have quadratic formula x is equal to, so here positive greater than 0. Okay. So minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now let us substitute. Minus b. B is minus 3. So minus of minus 3 plus or minus root b square minus 4ac. That is root 5 by 2 into 1. A is equal to 1. Minus of minus, it becomes positive. Positive 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. So we get two roots, that is 3 plus root 5 by 2 and
ഒന്നുകൂടി എഴുതും.
എടുത്തോ
3 plus root. So the roots are 3 plus root 5 by 2 and 3 minus root 5 by 2 x equal to. So the roots are 3 plus root 5 by 2 and 3 minus root 5 by 2. You have to write down the roots are 3 plus root 5 by 2 comma 3 minus root 5 by 2. Solve 1 by x minus 2 equal to 3, where x not equal to 0 and not equal to 2. That is, x cannot be 0, because f is equal to 0 means it does not exist. And if x equal to 2 means here again 2 minus 2 0, 1 by 0 does not exist. So the value of x cannot be 0 or 2. Okay, now let us solve. So before that we have to arrange it in the standard form. How to rearrange in the standard form? Do the cross multiplication. 1 into x minus 2 minus x, 1 into this one, 1 into this, 1 into x minus 2 minus 1 into x by product of the denominators, x into x minus 2 equal to 3. Now x minus 2 minus x by x into x square, x into x into minus 2x equal to 3. X is getting cancelled. Minus 2 equal to 3 into x square minus 2x. Minus 2 equal to 3 into x square, 3 into this, 3x square minus 6x. Or now it is better take minus 2 to the other side. Or 0 is equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 2. Minus 2 becomes positive 2. Now we can rewrite it as minus 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Now it is in the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now you can use the quadratic formula here also. So a equal to 3, b equal to, what is it, minus 6 and c equal to 2. So to apply the quadratic formula, we need to arrange the given equation in this form, that is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is very much important. Otherwise you cannot apply the formula directly. It should be in the form of a quadratic equation. Okay. Now let us solve the equation. Now we got the standard form of equation as 3x square minus 6x plus 2 equal to 0. A equal to 3, b equal to negative 6 and c equal to positive 2. We will see what is b square minus 4ac. Without finding separately also you can do it. I will show you directly how to apply. We will just write the formula, quadratic formula. Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So substitute the value directly in this. Minus b means it is minus 6 plus or minus root b square minus b means 6 minus 6, b square minus 4 into a is 3 into c is 2 by 2 into 3. Minus of minus positive 6 plus or minus root of 6 square is minus 6 square 36, positive 36 minus 4 3s are 12 into 24 by 6, that is 6 plus or minus 36 minus 24 is 12 by 6 plus or minus root 12 by 6. Here the students usually make mistake here, that is when they write the formula they will not write they will not draw the line here, that is 2a is common for both, so it should be whole divided by. So suppose if you write like this it becomes wrong, so it is whole divided by. The formula comes like that, 2a, that is whole divided by 2a it becomes. Now come to this again, 6 plus, that is x equal to 1 root is 6 plus root 12 by 6 or 6 minus root 12 by 6. What is this root 12? How will you rewrite root 12? Root of 12 means it is factorize. 12 if you factorize, you can see 4 into 3, that is 2 into 2 into 3, factorize 12. Now take 2 out, 2 root 3. So root 12 can be replaced by 2 root 3. So we get again 6 plus 2 root 3 by 6 and 6 minus 2 root 3 by 6. Again you can take common factor from this. What is common here? 2 is common. 2 into 3 plus root 3 by 6 and 2 into 3 minus root 3 by 6. You can simplify again. 2 and 6 if you cancel, you can see it is 3 here. So answers are 3 plus root 3 by, 2 getting cancels, we get 3. 3 plus root 3 by 3 and 3 minus root 3 by 3. These are the root of the quadratic equation. Here 2 and 6 is getting cancelled. Can you see? Okay, 6. But 2 and 6 is getting cancelled. We get here 3. So that is why 3 plus root 3 by 3 and 3 minus root 3 by 3. Hope you followed all this. Go through all the steps in detail and solve some more questions. Try to solve some more questions. Okay, thank you.